Come, Gina? Today I gotta make the pastina. Look, I have everything in here. Like I said, when I make something, you have to prepare before what you need. So I have all of this here. And this we need. I need the celery, carrot, little tomato, parsley, 1 egg, Pecorino Romano, olive oil, and salt. And that's the pastina. That's the pastina I use, the little one. Then we make the little one, they have they eat the baby too. For the baby, look. They're nice small. Because I want the baby to eat this. All right, now I can make my vegetable soup, you see? That's the water, it's a cold water. I put a fiammel, like this. And in the water I put a vegetable. That's a celery, little celery. It's a vegetable. This is a carrot. Little parsley, and 1 tomato, 1 small tomato, go here. And plus, we put a little salt on it, we taste later. We put a little salt on it, and little olive oil, because it's a vegetable, this one. We use the olive oil, just about 1 spoon, just some. Okay? And that's ingredient, that's all here. Now we gotta wait they cook. About 10 or 15 minutes they cook the vegetable. And then we put the pastina. And that's it. It's very easy, simple, easy. Something fast. When you know, the kids cry, somebody wants to eat something fast, this is easy. Just you make a water, you make all the vegetable, and after hour, 1 hour, everything is done. Now I cover, and then we wait they boil. When they boil, we put a little low, and we prepare for the pastina. Okay, boil, look. Look, now they boil, see? Now I put low. And let it cook for 10 or 15 minutes. Okay? My water boil, look. You see, my water boil. Now we put the pastina. But before I put the pastina, I put a little salt. You can put a little salt like this. Okay? And then you put the pastina. Little pastina, okay? And let it cook. The time of this cook, let me see over here what's going on at the soup. That's the soup, the boil. I want to see the salt, what they look like salt. See, this is it. Now all the vegetable cook, and that's the soup of vegetable. Like light. We need more. We need more salt. Okay? Now we wait. Now we wait for the pastina. When the pastina is already, we finish the thing. Okay, the pastina is done. See? The pastina is done. They look nice. Eh? All right, now I gotta I gotta take this. I drain the water. Let me see. That's the water. Okay, now I gotta make another operation. Let me see. I want to pour something for the baby. I want to show something. So I take 1 spoon like this for the baby. And plus, I gotta make a little juice, plain juice. This is the juice. I put all there. And now what I'm doing, I take a little juice as this. That's a vegetable soup, but for the baby, they can eat everything. See, you have to take it off of the stuff. They gotta eat plain, and they should put it here. When the baby, they still drink the milk, you know. You gotta teach the way they gotta eat. You gotta teach to eat the baby. They just a little pastina. You can wanna put a little more, just a little drop of olio. Like this, just a little drop of olio. And then you give it the baby. They're supposed to eat a lot of plain, because like, you gotta teach to eat, you gotta learn to eat. You gotta learn to eat the baby. And that's the dish for the baby. When I raise my baby, that's how I used to do. I nurse my baby, little by little, we have to teach to eat. Because they grow up, and they need more food. And then I make the pastina like this. And that was okay. Now, this is the pastina for everybody. They can eat like 2 years old kids. They can eat the older people. They want a vegetable. They can eat heavy. And for everybody, this is good for everybody. So now you put the pastina here. This is for everybody. When you feel good, you want something warm, you make a little pastina. It's a nice warm, especially in the winter time. It's good. You can eat it like this, but you want a little stronger. You can make 1 egg inside. And you eat, they're more strong, they're more disgusting. You can make a little cheese like this. You can make a little cheese. You put it like this. Fiammelle su fiammelle, okay, that's buono. And you can put it here. You see? You turn. And they come a little strong. The soup come a little stronger, look. Isn't that good? Ah, this is good. I used to make, like I have 4 kids, I have my father-in-law, and so we have 4, and my father-in-law 5 kids. I have to make this all the time, a little vegetable. Now we gotta eat it now. Okay, that's my pastina. Look what they look like. You can see little eggs, you can see this. And you can put a little cheese, Pecorino Romano. You can put a little Pecorino Romano like this. See? That's a nice soup. It's a vegetable. It's not like when you can eat heavy stuff. You make it like this, it's not heavy. Okay? And I gotta eat. Buon-A-Petitti. See? Nice. It's so good. Especially when it's cold. This is the best one. Good, good, good. Good, good, delish. Okay? So, I just make a little thing, but this is more important for the sick people, for the older people, and for everybody. So, and for the little kids, you make a same pastina, but they can eat all this stuff. Just plain. And you teach the baby to eat, okay? God bless everybody. And I see you next time, okay? Bye, bye, bye.